This video will cover the process of performing a factory reset on an ACE or APEX 2.0 control set. Begin by holding the Home button down. The screen will change to Settings/Testing. Press the I button and continue pressing I slowly through the setup options. You will want to write your current settings down, as these will not be saved after your reset. Continue pressing the I button until you reach the screen that says Factory Reset. Press the Y button and press I to save the change. It will ask you to confirm. Press the Y again to confirm and press I to save. The reset is now in process. You will be prompted to recycle power. Unplug the controller to remove power. After a few moments, plug the controller back into the outlet. The controller will restart and automatically pair itself with the display.